In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Instagram QR code. So there are two means that you can use to get Instagram QR code on your account. So you can use the QR code function or use the share function here. In most cases, you only have one of these functions available on your Instagram account. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to get Instagram QR code, the first thing you want to do is open the Instagram application on your phone and sign into your account. Then go to your profile page. On the profile page, you see share profile. This. Then click on it. Once you click on share profile, you should see the QR code like this. So this is my QR code. Then hit the download button to download the QR code. So once you download the QR code as image, go ahead and send it to whoever want to connect with you on Instagram. Now, if the share profile button is missing here, just come down to this menu button, click on it, and then you should say get QR code here. In my own case, get QR code is missing, as I can only get my Instagram QR code by using the share button. Now, to connect to other Instagram users with the QR code, all you need to do is click on get QR code or click on share profile and click on this QR code scanner. Then scan the QR code either on your phone or on the paper. Then once the QR code is scanned, you'll be able to connect to this QR code account on your device. However, to scan Instagram QR code from your phone library, all you need to do is just swipe up. Then locate the QR code, click on it. Then you should see the Instagram profile, and you can see it says this is you. So that is my Instagram profile. If this is another user's Instagram profile QR code, you'll be prompted to either follow the QR code or view the profile. Then once you click view profile, you can go ahead to follow the Instagram user or watch some of the Instagram videos or reels on the platform. So this is how you can easily get QR code and connect to Instagram QR code on your phone. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.